go. Hey, I'm here with Mr. Gold. Is it okay if I say your name?
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Okay,
Absolutely.
I'm here with Mr. Gold. He just made some nice comments to me chairside with Nestor, who is our cameraman, and I thought I'd let him share his experience with you.
Well, I just wanted to say that previous experience with dentists has been pretty horrific. I had implants before that failed, were painful, and suffered for a lot of years, maybe 7 years without teeth. And these are in about a month. And these are probably the best things I've had in my mouth since I was a kid and had a full set of teeth. So, I mean, I've talked to more people in 2 weeks, face to face. I was going to say a bad word, but I crap you not that I went up to people I haven't talked to in years and like, where you been? We thought you died. And just the confidence to talk to people, even in the supermarket or just, I've been outside of my house more in the last 2 weeks than I have in the last, 6 months. And it's,
That's why we're doing it. That's why Nestor's doing it. And you don't have to say any names, but you said you had been to, I don't really want you to say any other names, but you had been to a couple other offices over those 7 years trying to get things done.
Yeah, it was, I started with dentures and, they slapped me in your mouth after they took out all these teeth with no, I was awake through the whole process and I didn't wear those for a year. And then they had another set and they put those in and they never worked right. So I said, you know what, I tried the implants. And I think I may have been one of their first implant patients because they kind of eyeballed it like that. And, and then 4 months later, they weren't fitting. And they were like, well, why didn't you get another implant? I said, because I'm not the dentist. You're supposed to tell me what I need. And I got very upset. And so I waited a while and I was able to get some more money. And I had 3 more implants put in.
Somewhere else.
Went somewhere else. Yeah. And they were good, but they couldn't guarantee the old implants. And so they put these new implants in, and then as soon as I put the new teeth in, the old implants started to fail. Yeah. So I was really discouraged, and my folks, love them to death. They were like, we hate to see you miserable. Why don't you, do something? We want to go out to eat, and we're tired of you saying no. So, I'm lucky enough that I was able to, for them to be able to do this for me, and it's, my son sees me munching on something. He's like, are you eating a grape or even the sound of food chewing again? I don't know if people realize how, because when you don't hear it, just like a potato chip, just the sound of a potato chip cracking is not, it's something you miss.
Wow, you take those things for granted.
You do.
How much euphoria goes through your head when you crack a potato chip?
I mean, stuff getting stuck in my teeth now is acceptable, but it's just, I sat at a bar the other night and munched on food with someone for the first time in I can't tell you how many years. So,
that's awesome.
Yeah, it's I'm really excited. I know these are going to work out great, and I'm just. And once I can eat, you guys will start eating some of my.
Because he's from the CIA.
Yeah,
Culinary Institute.
Not the place where they do bad things. Yeah.
Sauce is your specialty.
Yeah.
And I want to thank you for sharing and letting us share this with other people. Your story. It was nice you come in. He had just came in. He called up and said, "Hey, I want to make sure everything's okay. It was just an unscheduled visit. Take a look. Everything's absolutely fine. We see our patients whenever they need to be seen.
It was good.
I'm glad that everything looks like it's on track. And you had a better experience.
Yeah, it was a great experience. Yes, I will tell anybody that needs to know.
Thank you for sharing this with everybody. I really, truly appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right. No,
This is good.
and you can cut, but even. But